This is a typical locker room lock. Here you see the hasp and the latch. We are seeing more and more clients ask for electronic combination locks. To lock this Lowe & Fletcher electronic combination lock, type in a combination of your choosing twice. Now the locker is locked. To unlock, simply type in your combination. This locker and lock are designed to be accessible. You can tell by the non-graspable lever and the lack of a bench in front of it. This lock functions the same way as the lock we just saw. Type in a 4-digit combination of your choosing twice. The lever no longer moves, the locker is locked. To unlock, simply type in your combination. This last example is another brand of lock. This electronic combination lock is a master lock. It could be ideal for a retrofit application. To install this lock, you can see that it attaches with 2 bolts and a 4-pin plug. This is the same connector as one used on a telephone. You will want to drill holes in the appropriate locations and then fit this lock over your locker door.